We'll guide you through how to import data from one Google Sheet to another. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once it loads, open the destination spreadsheet where you want to import data. Make sure you are working on the correct worksheet so the imported data appears in the right place. After that, open a new browser tab and access the source Google Sheet that contains the data you need. Take a moment to review the data carefully so you understand exactly what you will import. Next, copy the URL of the source spreadsheet from the address bar. Then, return to the destination spreadsheet. Click on the cell where you want the imported data to appear. Begin by typing an equal sign to start formula. After that, enter the formula import range and open parentheses right after typing it. Paste the copied spreadsheet URL inside quotation marks to ensure it is recognized correctly. Then, add a comma to separate the formula arguments. Now, type the range you want to import. Close the parentheses to complete the formula. Once everything is written correctly, press Enter to run the formula. If this is your first time connecting the sheets, you might need to allow access before the data is displayed. After the data appears, carefully observe whether all rows and columns are displayed correctly. If something looks off, adjust the selected range in the formula as needed. You can also resize the columns to improve readability and make the data easier to view. Apply formatting if necessary, such as adjusting fonts or alignment to match your preferred layout. Scroll through the imported data to ensure everything is complete and properly transferred. Check for any missing values or inconsistencies. Finally, double-check the accuracy of all imported information. Remove any unnecessary blank rows if they appear. Review the entire sheet to ensure consistency and clarity. Keep in mind that saving is automatic in Google Sheets, so all your changes are stored without needing to click a Save button.